happiness is the link between man and the nature shall not be broken. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends present here. Here, myself Nikita Narwale presenting one speech on Earth Day for giving one message to the future generation of this world. That include me also. Dear future generation, I am sorry. I think I speak for the rest of us when I say sorry. Sorry, we listened to people who made excuses to do nothing. Sorry, we were too caught up in our own doing to do something. I hope you forgive us. For example, I'm guessing you probably know what is Amazon desert, right? Believe it or not, it was once called Amazon rainforest. And there were billions of trees there, and all of them gorgeous, just young. And oh, you don't know much about trees. Well, let me tell you what are they. Trees are amazing. I literally mean we literally breathe the air they are creating. They clean up our pollution, and they also store and purify water, our carbon, and they give us medicine that cures our diseases and food that feed us. Which is why I am so sorry to tell you that we burn them down, cut them down with brutal machines, horrific at the rate of 50% of Earth population. On this Earth there are trees all gone in last 100 years. Which is why I am so sorry to tell you that we pollute ocean that much that we cannot even swim in them. And I am so sorry about our mindset that we call this destruction, this cutting of trees, this building of houses on forests as progress. We paid so much attention to ice and very little to how ice is melting, how fast ice is melting in the Arctic. We should know that we are the root of them. Like that farmer, where the farmer says that where he look one trees, then there is unhealthy, there is unhealthiness, then he saw their roots. He did not saw their branches and whatever the unhealthiness in that. They saw root. So that like that farmer, we should stay root. We are the roots and we are the foundation of this world, and this is up to us that we should take care of our earth, that is our mother. If not, so we will all will equally extinct. We are not apart from earth. We are a part of earth. We are a part of earth. Thank you.
जमलेल्या माझ्या बालमित्रांनो, सगळ्यांना माझा नमस्कार. आपल्या आजूबाजूची गोष्ट म्हणजे पर्यावरण. मानवाच्या अतिवापराने पर्यावरणात बिघाड होत आहे. त्यामुळे प्रदूषणाचा राक्षस आवासून उभा राहतो. तो आपल्यावर वेगवेगळ्या आजारातून आक्रमण करीत आहे. यामुळे आपल्याला पर्यावरणाची काळजी घेणे गरजेचे आहे. आणि म्हणून मी आजच्या कार्यक्रमात महेश्वरी जितेंद्र पवार इयत्ता 3 विषय मांडत आहे, पर्यावरण संरक्षण काळाची गरज. खूप अभिमान आहे मला मी माणूस असण्याचा आणि या पृथ्वीचे हुशार आणि लाडके मुलं आहोत. प्रत्येकाने श्वासाची किंमत जाणलीच असेल, पण कोरोनाने माणसांना जमिनीवर राहण्यास भाग पाडले आहे आणि तेव्हा गरज भासू लागली पर्यावरण संरक्षणाची. आपल्या छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांनी आपल्या पत्रात सांगितलं होतं की खराब झालेले झाडं जळायचे, पण आपण तीच चुकी केली. आपण सगळे जंगल कापले, जंगलातले बिबटे आपल्या गावाकडे व आपल्या घराकडे यायला लागले. एवढंच बोलून मी माझे 2 शब्द संपवते. शेवटी जाता जाता हेच सांगते, शस्त्र नको, अस्त्र नको, झाडं वेली आज पाहिजे. शस्त्र नको, अस्त्र नको, झाडं वेली आज पाहिजे. माझ्या स्वप्नातील वसुंधरा साकारताना तुम्हा मित्रांची साथ पाहिजे, तुम्हा मित्रांची साथ पाहिजे. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
माझे नाव मनीष देसाई. आज मी तुम्हाला पृथ्वी दिनानिमित्त काही शब्द सांगणार आहे. प्रत्येक वर्षी 22 जानेवारीला पृथ्वी दिन हा साजरी केला जातो. आपली पृथ्वी हे आपल्या सूर्यमंडलामध्ये 3रा ग्रह व आपल्या सूर्यमंडलामध्ये एक असा ग्रह आहे ज्यावर जगणे शक्य आहे. आपली पृथ्वी आपल्याला जगण्यासाठी खूप काही मूल्यवान गोष्टी देते, जसे झाडे, पाणी, हवा, पण आपण त्यांची केअर करत नाही. आपण झाडे कापतो, ज्यामुळे डिफॉरेस्टेशन होते व प्रदूषण वाढते. आपण पोल्युशन करतो, ज्यामुळे आपल्या पृथ्वीतील ओझोन लेअरला सुद्धा धोका आहे. आपण पाण्याचा शकतो व प्रदूषण कमी करू शकतो. आपण इलेक्ट्रिक वाहन वापरून सुद्धा प्रदूषण कमी करू शकतो, ज्यामुळे आपल्या ओझोन लेअरला काही धोका राहणार नाही व आपण पाण्याचा जपून वापर केला तर आपल्याला भविष्यामध्ये पाण्याची कमतरता भासणार नाही. आपली पृथ्वीने आपल्याला हे मूल्यवान जीवन दिले आहे, म्हणून आपण आपल्या पृथ्वीला जपायला हवे. धन्यवाद.
Respected Chairman Sir, Principal Ma'am, Teacher and all my dear friends. I am Alan Virendra Saka. As we gather today to celebrate Earth Day, it is essential to reflect significance of this occasion, especially for our generation and those to come. Earth Day is not merely a date on the calendar. It is a call to action, a reminder of our responsibility for this planet that we call home. We must recognize the critical role we play in shaping the environmental landscape. Also, our actions today will directly impact on the health of our planet and the well-being of future generations. Today, our planet, Earth, is challenging problems like global warming, pollution, and many more because of us. So, Earth is our mother. So, keep it clean and save resources, and commit that we will save our planet Earth. Thank you.
A very bright morning to each and everyone present over here. It's me, Anushka Manoj Patil from class 10 in front of you. Would like to speak few words about the Earth Day, which we celebrate on 22nd April every year. It's a day which brings our attention that how much it is important to preserve and protect our planet. It's a day which tells us our impact on the environment and also to get involved in a sustainable future. Now, we can clearly see our impact on the environment in the form of water and air pollution, deforestation, extreme weather conditions, and sea levels, and in many other ways. Keeping our planet's great resources in a good hand is a key of having a more sustainable resources. To do this, we have to change our thinking, our behavior, and also need to take daily actions. Now it's the time to act. We can't wait for any other to lead on us. We all have to do our part by ourselves. No matter how big or small we are contributing in this sustainable future. Let's remember